Hi, this is David Clark from Meal in Minute for gut health and kidney tone. Barley, a member of the grass family, is a major cereal grain grown in temperate climates globally. It was one of the first cultivated grains, particularly in Eurasia, as early as 10,000 years ago. Pinto beans are a nutrient-dense legume and a good source of protein, phosphorus and magnesium, and very high in dietary fibre, which helps the digestive system perform better. With the combination of long sautéed cabbage, carrots and tofu, this sweet dish is a vegan palate pleaser. The daikon and radish combination are a great pickle with the umeboshi for breaking down fats and removing toxins. Steamed cucumber is really juicy and cooked for a few minutes. Most hydrating and excellent for irritable bowel syndrome. Enjoy this simple meal, chew well and remember not to overeat.